This weekend we hiked straight into a sauna. For fun. The trails were steep, the views were wild, and the cold waterfall after? Absolutely legendary. This weekend we are staying at Hébergement La Belle Époque to explore Parc de Chutes and hike Mont Brassard, right in the middle of a serious heatwave. As we still had enough time before the sunset, we decided to stretch our legs on a short hike along the river. And it was amazing. Was it worth it? The original plan was to stop at Trickery microbrewery, but unfortunately they are closed on Mondays, so instead we grabbed their beer at the local grocery store. Not far from where we stayed, there is a big lake, Lac Clair, and we were lucky to have private access to a beach there. We didn't feel like heading straight home, so in a desperate attempt to stretch this adventure just a little longer, we made a stop at the Chutes waterfall, and it didn't disappoint. This weekend gave us heat, challenge and one of the best views near Montreal. If you are thinking about doing this trip yourself, we've made it super easy. Just hit the link in the description to download our mobile-friendly 2-day itinerary, complete with hikes, stops and food spots.